Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT Model 4o tutorial video. Now today in this video, we will show you how to access GPT-4o for free. Now again, GPT-4 is a new flagship model that can reason across audio, vision, and text in real time. It's basically a model that is really crazy. If you take a look at this video right here, let's just play it. Let me just show you how, what you can do and how you can use this model. But as you can see, if you click play here,
Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, it's going great. How about you? I see you're rocking an open AI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling though? Are you in a cool industry style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
so basically, as you can see, you can talk directly with a GPT-4o model. Now, as you can see, these are just some people that tried out GPT-4o for themselves. You can obviously see these videos in peace, but basically, these are also some of the things that you can see here. Visual narratives, for example, inputs and outputs. You can see text to font as well. So you can do a lot of different things right here. Lecture summarization as well. For example, you can see the videos right here and stuff like that. It's a very powerful model. So how can you actually use it for free? All you have to do is you need to go to the ChatGPT, just log in, and here you will be able to switch to ChatGPT 4o. This is newest and most advanced model, as you can see. So just click on it, and here, as you can see, you can basically go and click with one particular button here, or you can just try it out for yourself. It's very easy to do and it's very easy to access. Again, you don't have to have any subscription. You just click here and you would be able to use it for yourself. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.